What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to install GZDoom. So you want to click up here and go to gzdoom.org. And then you want to scroll down and go to get ZDoom. Then click on and go to GZDoom and select what platform you are using. And then you just want to wait for this to download. And then you just want to click on this arrow and show in folder. Then you want to right click and then use 7-zip and then extract files. Click OK. And then you just want to click on GZDoom. And there you go. You